Hey everybody, welcome back to another business analysis video. In today's video, we'll be discussing the various career paths within business analysis and how to progress as a business analyst. Embarking on a career in business analysis opens up a world of potential career paths and opportunities for advancement. So you're positioned to not only contribute significantly to projects, but also to climb the ranks within the business analysis field or to branch out into other areas of the business. So, what are the various avenues for progression and how can you navigate your career path effectively for business analysis? One way is through the traditional BA career pathway, starting as a junior business analyst, because you'll be at the threshold of learning, because here you will hone your skills in requirements gathering, stakeholder management, and basic project coordination. So this foundational stage is critical for building your expertise and establishing your reputation really as a reliable business analyst. Now, as you gain experience as a junior business analyst or in the foundational stage of business analysis, you may then choose to specialize in other relating areas. And the options include becoming a business systems analyst by focusing on IT and software development processes and aligning technology solutions with the business needs. Another specialization opportunity is becoming a data analyst. Data analysts dive deeper into the data, working with large data sets to derive insights that drive business decisions. You can also look at specializing in user experience, which ensures that the systems are user-friendly and that they meet the customer needs. So you really be speaking with customers on as a user experience person. So the user experience analyst generally will look at the user requirements from the front end perspective, right? Now, apart from specializing, you can look at advancing into more senior BA role as a more experienced business analyst, becoming a senior BA or becoming a lead business analyst. Now, in these roles, you tackle more complex projects, you could mentor junior business analysts, and you may even take on management responsibilities. And this way, your influence on strategic decisions will grow and your insights become a more driving force in project direction. So you're taking more responsibility really as a senior or lead business analyst. Now, another way is to transition into management. For those who are more inclined towards leadership, a transition to management is a natural progression for you. Now, what are the roles within management? The first one, which is project manager, someone who oversees the project from initiation to completion and manages the resources and ensures project success. So becoming a project manager, these are the tasks, the things you will do. You can also look at becoming a product manager, someone who guides the development of the products from conception through to the market release and beyond that. You can also look at becoming a business analysis manager by leading a team of business analysts, defining best practices and strategizing the function of business analysis within the organization. Now, another way to progress is to bridge into business operations. Some business analysts will leverage their analytical skills to move into more business operations roles, such as the operations manager. The operations manager streamlines business processes to enhance efficiency and productivity. We can also look at becoming a business development manager by identifying growth opportunities and helping the business expand its market presence. Now, another very interesting route is the consultancy route. Is where all the money lies. So business analysts with a wealth of experience and a broad skill set may choose the consultancy route, offering their expertise on a freelance basis or with a consultancy firm. This path offers variety. I really like this path of consultancy because you then are able to work with various types of organizations. You have opportunity to work across different industries and the potential for higher earnings. Now, one thing that I always speak on is continuous learning and certification. Okay, so regardless of the path that you choose, you want to continuously learn. Continuous learning is key. Pursuing advanced certifications like the BCS Business Analysis Diploma or the Advanced Business Analysis Diploma can open doors to higher roles. Additionally, staying updated of industry trends, expanding your knowledge base through workshops, courses will make you an invaluable asset to any organization. So in conclusion, the career of a business analyst is rich with possibilities. Whether you choose to specialize, whether you choose to transition into management or explore operations, your journey will be marked by continuous learning and growth. So by setting clear goals, acquiring new skills, and seeking opportunities to lead, you can really shape a rewarding and progressive career in business analysis. So that's all for today. I hope you found some value in today's video. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. You never know who it might help. Till I see you in my next one. Peace.